the motion filed by the Senate Majority Whip.
Dereti ino itemanirio giikaro-ini gia Senate ni seneta wa kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata uria ni muhiuria wa mucarisha wa kiama kia Jubilee akiuga Profesa Kithure Kindiki ndakoretwo agitia kiama kiu na uguo ni kimwagiire mwihoko na anyitwo mbaru ni Seneta Mutula Kilonzo Jr.
We hold several positions in this Senate pursuant to confidence of the party. We must be allowed to give confidence and to withdraw confidence to those who don't follow the party lines.
The premium, Mr. Speaker, for these positions we occupy is loyalty to the cause. Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, our friend Professor Kindiki finds himself in this position.
Kindiki akihagurwo kumana na kwaga guthie mucamanio uria wiriga wa kiama kia Jubilee na gukorwo ni augire uheani wa mahinya kuma kuri thirikari ya Nairobi guthie kuri thirikari nene ni ufatie guthuthurio ni bunge ya Senate. Kang'ata akiuga akoretwo na ihinda iritu gukinyaniria wendio wa kiama kuri Kindiki uria ni murutani wa watho na ni anathomithia Kang'ata na we Kang'ata na atongoria angi ni marageretie guthaitha Kindiki aherere kiama no ararega amwe makimuria ahere ona atanahagurwo.
We are very much involved in ensuring that we do not come to this decision, and Senator James Orengo, you can bear me witness, and Senator Njeru Ndwiga and others.
Imagine Senator Kindiki Kithure on Tuesday after the meeting made such an announcement that I'm loyal to my party Jubilee. What a difference it would have made.
Jatukano ya miario ikigia iguru gatagati ka atongoria a Jubilee aria manyitaga mbaru President Uhuru Kenyatta na aria manyitaga mbaru munini wake atongoria a mung'ethaniro makioneka kunyita mbaru atongoria a President ratiri-ini ino. Dereti yagia iguru atongoria magitugiria murutire wa wira wa Kindiki indi aria maranyita President mbaru na a mung'ethaniro mamuririkania ati ni aremetwo guthoma mahinda maria marikuo ma kiuteti na uguo makanyita mbaru kuhagurwo gwake.
Your party has lost confidence in you. The political party has a right to recall you.
He is a great professor, and that stands. But what we are adjudicating, I support because it concerns a political party, and the political party has its own tradition and virtues which must be followed.
Kwa hiyo ni jukumu lako sasa ujukumike kuchukua hii punishment ambayo utapewa sasa.
Na waria manyitaga mbaru munini wa President aria mekurugamaga na Kindiki mamuririkania kwiyumiriria na maandiko matheru indi magatetia kiria marauga ni ngero iria maratungio ni mwaho wa President kiama-ini kia Jubilee kiria Kindiki erutire kwandikira watho uteti wa gitaru kia gema ukigirirwo ratiri-ini.
Mr. Speaker, the usurpers of our constitution have not laid any charge to back this disgraceful onslaught, but allege that the affected member of this House has been disloyal.
Political decisions have consequences. And because political decisions have consequences, we won't go by them.
It was imperative and important that the motion that was brought here today by the senator from Murang'a have the grounds for removal.
Kindiki nake aheo kamweke ga gutiri ha mbere ya kura ikitio kuria augire ndangitikia President ni anyitite itemi ihagura-ini riri akiririkana kuria manatwarana nake kuona Kindiki ari umwe wa mawakiri a President cira-ini uria wamugumiire igoti-ini ria kimabũrũri ria ICC.
His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, whom I am accused today of having disrespected, should know that I have always and will forever respect him. I wish him all the best, him and his administration, for the remainder of his term.
Na riu Kindiki guthie na mbere gutungata ta seneta wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi thutha wa kuhagurwo gituro-ini kia munini wa speaker.
So the ayes have 54, the nays have 7, abstentions 0, so the ayes have it.
Na kuona gukubataranagia kura 55 cia maseneta kuhagura Kindiki, 54 maikia kura ya kumuhagura na 7 marugama nake. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Majority Whip, Senator Irungu Kang'ata. 7 senators voted against the motion. There was 0 abstinence.